I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from me.
Robot making goal tracking to help robot to detect super objects. When robot detects a gray color, robot will turn and go to positive. When robot detects blue color, all objects that robot have equal 0. When robot detects yellow color trap, turn to deposit and get high score.
Robot go forward and must take objects red and black and go to deposit by turn left. But robot don't make it. But robot go forward and don't detect any objects because he doesn't detect any objects in his way and turn right in another wall and not turn left to go to deposit. And robot must making go forward before after depositing and make avoid obstacles and detect two objects red and any number of objects red and making a deposit and enter to blue area and detect cyan objects, but robot detecting red and detecting another red and don't enter to blue area and don't enter to deposit and detecting red. So robot don't make my plan in my map because robot don't making a first plane in map. After that, robot, after detecting cyan of blue area, robot detecting gray color and turn to deposit and go to detect another object and making wall tracking for a minute and another and anyway minutes and making wall tracking to detect super object, but robot don't detect any super object because robot don't make wall tracking, because robot have problem in wall tracking, and because obstacles and super objects not appear. Robot making in fact detecting red color and have issue because wall tracking and avoid obstacles and avoid wall and avoid obstacles because robot won't deposit. So robot making depositing and get high score. And robot don't make all that because robot don't make my plan at first on map. So robot making enter to blue area and detecting cyan and detecting cyan to get high score in blue area, and after that go to deposit, but robot don't make my plan map but so robot don't get a very high score, and robot don't detect super object because robot don't make wall tracking, and robot don't make a void trap because robot have problem in it, and I tell robot making a void trap to go to deposit to make go to deposit easy for robot, but robot don't make a void trap and lose all objects that robot have, and robot will detect blue color trap all objects that robot have equal 0, and robot go forward and detecting objects and making depositing because I tell robot when robot have um, bigger than 0 of objects, robot making wall tracking, and in a last minute I tell robot detecting 2 objects of each color, 2 objects of red, 2 objects of black, and 2 objects of cyan, and making depositing to generated super object and super plus object, but robot don't make that because don't working on my plan. So thank you.